What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here with is crypto dad. So in today's video I'll be showing us now I got 20,000 worth of BS token going for $400. The particular worth of this coin is $400. So in this video I'll be showing us on how I got it and how you can make money on this Battle Steed AI robot. Let's get into this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here with is crypto dad. If you have not subscribed, what you have to do is you have to click on the subscription button and you also need to turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop any video. Okay guys, in today's video I'll be taking us through this new app that is the Battle Steed app. Battle Steed AI is an intelligent qualitative trading tool. I'll just be going over to their website. Okay, I'm on their website right now, the Battle Steed AI. This is a qualitative trading robot. Easily customized trading strategies. On this their platform, they have automatic trading, automatic follow-up, place order in seconds. You can download the Android app by just making use of this button, and you can also go over to install from Google Play Store. So just go ahead to install their app. If you see their white paper here, this is a trading robot. For you to join, just click on this join us. I'll be dropping the links to join in this video description. So let's just get into this video. The first thing you have to do is you have to download their app. So let's just go out to download their app, and when we click on this trade out also, we'll be seeing this about us, the ecosystem roadmap and the white paper. Let's just go ahead to click on this roadmap. When you click on the roadmap, you'll be seeing our plan and our goal. You can go ahead to read through their roadmap. On December 22, the trading volume of Battle Steed AI exceeded $10 billion. On this May 2023, the quantitative investment strategy mode 3.0 will be put online for testing. You can go through their roadmap, so just click on that. Let's go over to this about us. Once you click on this about us, you'll be seeing 150 countries covered, 20 million users, 3 million users have opened positions. That is those people that are trading right now, and they have about 2,000 plus trading tools, 10 billion deal every day, 10,000 plus stable operation. They have their business introduction here. You can go through their business introduction, top technology, just go through this. Their ecosystem also, you can just go through all this. To join their community, just click on this community and also join their Twitter page and also their Telegram channel by just clicking on this. For you to check their YouTube channel, just click on this button. So I'll be going back. Okay, for you to join them, you just have to go ahead to download the app and download the app from Google Play Store. Once you click on the link, you'll be redirected over to Google Play Store. You just need to go ahead to install the app. I've already installed the app. I'll just click on this open. After clicking on open, you'll be asked to create an account. I'll be taking us through how to create an account. So let me just log out. I'll click on this my profile. Then I'll just be logging out. For you to create an account, you have to select your language. You have to select your language. I'll click on this select language. Then I'll select English. If you want to make use of other language, just go to select them. I'll be making use of English. Discover the charm of digital currency. Just click on this create an account. If you already have an account, just click on this login. I'll click on this create an account. Then you'll be clicking on this generate private key. A private key will be given to you, or just click on this generate private key. After you've generated the private key, you have to click on this copy. I'll click on this copy private key. Then I'll click on this next step. You have to go ahead to enter your password and also repeat the password. You have to enter this particular verification code you are seeing here. I'll enter the verification code. I'll click on this confirm. The next thing you have to do is you have to verify your private key and password. I'll be entering that. Let me just go ahead to paste in my private key. I've pasted it. I need to enter my password. After I've entered that, I'll click on this verify. My account has been verified. So this is my Battle Steed AI account and this is my address. You can make deposit of TRX using this address. You don't have to copy it. After you've copied it, you can go ahead to make the deposit. And you'll be seeing some list of cryptocurrency here. We have the BS, we have the TRX, we have USDT, USDC. For you to start making money using the Battle Steed AI robot, you don't have to come over to this trade. Then you'll be seeing this AI trading TLC chain. The robot only supports trading with TLC chain. That is trading with TLC20 coin like USDT and TRX. Just going to select the trading you want to go for. So let's say I want to go for TRX. So just click on TRX. Then you'll be seeing the transaction available. We have the TRX 2.0 intelligent transaction. Okay, you need to make a deposit. You need to make a deposit from 100 TRX to 1 million TRX for you to participate in this trading. I'm going to make a deposit of 100 TRX and you'll be getting a daily income of 0.5% per day to 15% per month. Let's say I made a deposit of 100 TRX per day, I'll be getting 0.5%. That is divided by 100. That is per day, I'll be getting 0.5 TRX every day. And let's say I made a deposit of 100 TRX for a month, that is I'll be getting 15%. That is within a month I'll be getting 15 TRX as income. That's how the trading robots work. So let's just go back. If you want to go along with this transaction, just click on it. You have to click on it. Once you click on it, you have to go ahead to enter the amount you want to start with. Let's say I want to start with 100 TRX. Let's say I want to start with 100 TRX. I'll just go ahead to enter 100 TRX. Then I'll click on this start button. Before you'll be able to start transaction on this platform, you need to go ahead to make a deposit. That is, you need to make a deposit from 100 TRX above. And after you made the deposit, just come over here, you need to enter the amount. After that, just click on the start. Immediately you click on the start, the AI robot will start trading immediately. You'll be getting 0.5% every day. You'll be seeing some order you perform by just clicking on this order. Let's just click on order. You'll be seeing different transactions you perform. So I'll just be going back. And for you to select USDT, just go ahead to select USDT by just clicking on this USDT. The trading plan for USDT is also the same thing with TRX. And you get 0.5% every day up to 15%. The minimum deposit amount for USDT is 10 USDT. While for TRX is 100 TRX. So let's just go back to my calculator. Let's say I made a deposit of 10 USDT, that is per day, I'll be getting 0.5%. Let's say I made a deposit of 10 USDT for a month, that is 15%. I'll be getting 1.5 USDT as income. For you to start, you just go to enter the amount. The starting amount is 10 USDT. You have to click on this start button. I'll be going back. So for you to start making money on this platform, what you just have to do is you have to go ahead to make a deposit. You have to copy this your unique address. After you've copied that, you have to go over to your trust wallet or any of your wallets to make a deposit. You then make deposit of TRX or USDT. The minimum deposit for USDT is 10 USDT, while for TRX is 100 TRX. Once you've made the deposit, just go ahead to select the cryptocurrency you want the AI to start earning. Then you have to enter the amount you'll be receiving a particular percent every day. For you to join their Telegram group, just click on this button. For you to follow them on Twitter, just click on this button. On YouTube, on Facebook. For you to see your team, just click on this button. So let's just go over to my profile. When I click on my profile, I'll be seeing this backup private key. For you to back up your private key, just click on this backup private key. Then you'll be able to enter your password for verification before the private key will be opened for you. I'll cancel this page, so I'll just be going back. For you to check your team, just click on this my team. You'll be seeing the list of teams you invited, that is your friends you invited. For you to get your invitation code, just click on this invitation code. To get to know about them, just click on this about us. Download the app, switch language. If you want to change your language back, just click on this switch language. So I'll just click on this invitation. Once I click on the invitation, I'll be seeing my unique invitation code here. You don't have to go ahead to copy it. After you've copied it, you just go ahead to share to your friends. So once your friend download the app, they need to come out to this invitation. They have to paste in your invitation code. Then they have to click on this bind. I'll just click on this bind. After they binded your invitation code, you can just go out to home and be receiving 20,000 worth of BS token. I'm just waiting for this to load. Okay, I've successfully received 20,000 worth of BS token, which is going for $400. Once they buy the invitation code to the invitation page, you'll be receiving 20,000 worth of the coin. You can go ahead to withdraw this coin by just clicking on this withdrawal. Once you click on the withdrawal, you'll be able to enter the receiving address. You have to go ahead to enter the receiving address. You have to enter the amount. Then you'll be seeing the fee you'll be charged, the arrival quantity. Now just click on this confirm transfer out. Or just go back. This Battle Steed is an AI trading robot. What you just have to do is you have to select the plan you want to go for. Just come out to the trade. Then you'll be seeing the two plan here. We have the USDT and TRX plan. Just select the one you want to go for. you're receiving up to 15%. And also go out to this market. Once you click on the market, you will see the current price of coins. And for you to check your profit, you're just going to click on this profit. When you click on the profit, you will see the profit button and also the reward button. So guys, thanks for watching this video and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a nice day guys.